Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are going to make some delicious poached eggs. Poached eggs are really easy to make. They taste amazing. When I was little, my mom used to make them a lot. I didn't make them for a long time, and then I started making them again recently, and I forgot how delicious they are. So, we're going to make them today. All you need is some fresh eggs and some simmering water. So you want to put at least 2 inches of water in a saucepan, and I already started heating it, but we're going to bring it to a simmer. And you want to simmer, not a boil. If you put poached eggs in boiling water, they'll agitate and kind of fall all over the place and get really tough. So we're going to bring it up to a simmer, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, our water is simmering, and you want to break each egg separately into a dish. You're going to go ahead and slide it into the pan. I like to slide it to the side of the edge of the pan, and it slips in a little bit easier. Just one at a time. You can make as many as you have space for. So we're going to go ahead and simmer 3 to 5 minutes until the whites are coagulated and the yolks are as soft as you like them. Keep an eye on your water so it doesn't boil too much or get too calm. You want it to keep the simmer. If it's not hot enough, the eggs will spread and they won't be as nice. I'm going to turn the water down a bit. It's boiling a little bit too much. Ideal poached eggs are bright and shiny in appearance. They're compact and round, firm and tender whites, and a warm liquid yolk. You want to keep the egg shape as much as possible. If eggs are not fresh, you can add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vinegar per quart of water, and that will help to coagulate the egg white and keep a better shape. But don't use vinegar with fresh eggs, it's not needed. And when you do use vinegar, it can cause the egg whites to be tougher and not as shiny. So don't use it if you don't need it. I'm going to turn it down a little more. And if you get some ragged edges, you can cut them off. Okay, I'm going to check these. That looks good to me. We got some firm egg whites. And I like the runny yolk. You want to drain them well. I usually put them on a plate first before I put them on my toast, just in case there's too much water. I don't want to make my toast soggy. You can leave your water simmering if you're going to cook some more. I'm going to turn them off. These look pretty good to me. I'm going to go ahead and cut one open and we can see how it is. Wow, look at that. That is perfect. I'm going to go ahead and slide these over to my toast. Here we go. Cut this one open, see how it is. You can see, I think this is perfect. Let me go ahead and try it. I like to put some salt and pepper. And I'm going to try a bite. These are perfect. So creamy. Such a great flavor. It does help to have your own chickens. But try and get really fresh eggs when you make poached eggs and they'll taste a lot better. Try a bite with some toast. These are so delicious. It might take practice a couple of times to get them just right, but I bet you'll like them even if they don't look perfect. So try them and let me know how your poached eggs turn out. Okay? See you in the next lesson.